In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link Notion with your local files and folders. It's a helpful trick to keep your offline documents just one click away from your workspace. Let's get started. First, go to notion.so and log into your account using your email and password. Then, go to the workspace or page where your database or table is located. You can also create a new database if you prefer starting fresh. Next, scroll to the right side of your table until you see a plus button. This lets you add a new property to your database. Then select URL from the list of column types. This will allow you to input clickable URLs or file paths. Now, in that new column, paste the path to your local file or folder. Just note that these links only work if you're on the same computer and the path exists. And that's how you link your local files and folders in Notion. If this guide helped you stay more organized, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!